Tutto a posto? Hello guys! We are here today to do a test to a filter that did 50,000 kilometers in Africa. It started in Poland, with look around our friends, and now we are checking what's inside. First we will check if the filter is still working after so much abuse, dirt and dust. We will just do a normal filling, put petrol inside and see if the petrol will still go through. We obviously expect the filter to be fully functional. As you can see, petrol is normally flowing. And now we will check inside what happened to the filter. Just to compare, look, the black showing already at the bottom of the filter, and this is the same filter coming out of the bag as it was installed maybe 12 months ago, 1 year ago. So, let's open up the filter. This filter was riding through the whole Africa, going from the west coast to the east coast. And you can already tell from the inside that there are already big debris, which you would not expect to hurt anybody, but this is not supposed to be in petrol. Petrol is this fluid, not whatever is trapped in the filter. Whatever is trapped in the filter would have damaged your bike and your engine. You can see that the contamination is quite heavy, both from the big particles. You have here dust. I can see some metal parts, even still shiny, and in the zone you can see that it trapped much bigger parts. And whatever you can see the color is because the matrix itself trapped inside the filter most of the finest particles, and it cannot be released again in the petrol. Look also here. This filter has seen quite some nasty petrol. But you can see the filter is still intact. There is no damage. Physically it's still working. Now I'm just going to check about water. Because the filter, as you well know, separates water from petrol. So after all the contamination and after all the filter went through, we want also to check what is with the water separation capabilities. As you can see, water is still inside. Now we just let the water pass. Clear water, nothing separates from the filter, and the filter is completely intact. You can still see the droplets of water hanging on the surface. So I would say that this filter did a great job. It protected the bike of the travelers who installed it, protected the fuel pump, the fuel filter, and saved them from any kind of harm that would have come from this kind of contamination. Thank you so much. This is a Guglatech filter, the only way to save your bike.